it's your favorite doctor. As I told you, today I'm at one of the farms my demonstration farm. So as you see my broilers here, they are SR buds at 13 days. Tomorrow we are making 2 weeks. But as you see the size, the body shape, it's coming in well. So we are going to give in our grower pellets. As I told you, we are using SR products. So that's the performance. This is the product. So I'm going to give my birds the grower pellets, and you see their taste for the feeds. As you see, our pellets, they are in good shape. They are formed well. You see the size, the baguette shape. So I'm going to put in each feeder so that the birds feed. You have to clean the feeders before putting in the feeds. As you see the birds, they are yearning for the pellets. As I told you, SR products quality is our commitment. You can see the size of the grower pellets, and you can see their taste if put in for birds. The yarn and going in because it's quality. That's a first class. Remember not to put in full feeders because the birds will pour the feeds, but you have to put in half, so that they complete the feed, then you put in other feeds. Remember to come and support SR Aquatics and Breeders Limited. We have quality products. These are SR broiler birds at 13 days, and we are giving grower pellets. Thank you.